13 News Now at noon is back with a Health Expo event coming up this weekend in Hampton. And Gaylene Kanoyton with Celebrate Healthcare is back this afternoon to tell us what we can expect. Great to see you.
Good. Thanks for having me here.
Excited to talk about this. I mean, you know, healthcare is always something that we should be talking about year round, but excited to have this event coming up. Before we get into it, tell us about Celebrate Healthcare and what people need to know about the organization.
Well, we've been around for almost 11 years now, and we basically focus on health insurance to make sure everyone is enrolled in affordable care, or if they're on Medicaid, that they get reaffirmed into it. And that's really important because everyone's losing their insurance because they're not responding to the emails and mails that they're getting. And then we make sure that everyone have health and wellness access in the community.
And, you know, I think that's one of the big things. You kind of hit the nail on the head, that people are literally just losing it because of lack of response and lack of awareness of what they need to do to keep it. So this is all about education and the fundamentals of Medicare and Medicaid.
That's exactly right.
Absolutely. So let's talk about this event that's coming up, the Wellness Expo. What do people need to know about this event?
Well, we're excited. We're partnering with the Hampton and Newport News, Virginia chapters of Links Incorporated, which I'm a link to, Hampton Link. And this is our National Impact Day, which is an outreach of health and wellness access in the community, especially in underserved areas. So we're going to make sure that everyone get their screenings, blood pressure, BMI. We're going to have tons of resources, job fair. And we're also going to have Colgate, the Colgate bus is going to be there to do screenings for children 12 and under.
Oh, that's great.
And we're also going to have the Aetna Gamer bus, who's going to give out free smoothies. We're going to have exercise, line dancing. We're also going to have the Crimson Tide's Catherine G. drum line. Wow. So it's going to be a ton of information, and it's all free.
And it's all free. So there's nothing that people need to do beforehand, register or anything like that. Just come and bring the family. They
can come and bring the family, or they can go on our Eventbrite link. You can go to celebratehealthcare.net and you can register as well. We're going to give out gift cards to with some of the screenings. So there's going to be prizes, fun, but also everyone will walk out with information on how to live a healthier life. And then we're going to have a forum, the Black Family Wellness Forum. You know, to teach parents how to balance, you know, their health and wellness in their family, and also about chronic diseases and cancer. So we'll have, like I said, a ton of information.
Yeah, a lot of information, and just the chance to fellowship with one another as well. Sometimes just having those conversations is what leads people to making sure that them and themselves are taken care of health-wise.
That's exactly right. And then you can enroll in insurance too.
Oh, that's so great. Okay, so how can people keep in contact with Celebrate Healthcare even after the expo? Go
to celebratehealthcare.net. We have a Facebook and a Instagram page, Celebrate Healthcare, or you can call 757-287-0277.
Perfect. I'm sure people can, you know, reach out that way to get more information about the expo. But before we go, give us the details one more time for the expo itself.
It is going to be Saturday, March 16th, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Mary Jackson Neighborhood Center in Hampton.
Fantastic. So there you go. Mark your calendars. Bring your family out here. Lots of information, but it sounds like it's going to be a pretty good time too.
Yes.
Gaylene, great to see you.
Thank you.
So we'll be right back.